I mean, it's been great. We finished up in the league, so can't really ask for much more. Been a bit up and down, but we obviously didn't want to pick too early, so I think we're happy with where we are, happy with how it's been. We obviously would love it to be more smoother, but that's sport. Like, it's not always a smooth ride, so right now where we are, this is where we want it to be, so happy. Yeah, probably I'd say the Bath game. I just feel like that's when we've gelled, and it's the game before the semi-finals and finals weekend, so I think that's the real highlight for us to turn around from our Thunder game into that game in such a small space of time even, so yeah, probably that's the highlight for me. It's really important, especially coming off the back of the Thunder game. We were really like thinking, what's happening, but after a lot of film and analysis and stuff, we managed to bounce back, have a good week of training, really came together as a group, and I think that's the difference it made. I always enjoy playing against Layla, so Bath, and unfortunately I wasn't able to play in the first game, so I definitely enjoyed playing the second game. Played against her for a long period of time, the same age, so been through the England ranks together and stuff. So I love the challenge of playing against someone of Layla's calibre, but also like knowing enough about how she plays to maybe use that in my favour. And it's always good to have someone like pushing you to get better, whether that's me pushing Susie or Susie's always been pushing me to get better, and not just getting complacent in terms of that's my bit. Like, but I think it's been really important in terms of making just the whole team better, because we both have completely different styles of play. So people have been having to adjust to those different styles within game situations, from going from one quarter to Susie to one quarter to me. I think that moves the team on in terms of our performance-wise. Everything feels different this season because of COVID, so nothing's really been the same as any other season. So hopefully that works in our favour. All lucky, for me anyway. But yeah, so nothing really feels the same. Probably get the same nerves as anyone does, but you something you get that before big games in regular season. But obviously it's a whole different ball game when it comes to playoffs. So one and done really, and that's what probably the main difference is from regular season. But overall, this season is just generally different. I think it's just about giving them confidence and communication. So one of the big things I think was our turnaround from our Thunder to our Bath game is that we really rallied around each other, and the vibe in training and the noise in training was different to it was the previous week. And I think that makes a difference to the younger ones because it gives them less quiet time to think about what might be coming this weekend. So that's what I've been trying to do, add voice in, add confidence to some of those younger ones that might not have been in the situation before. Quite a lot. As I said, it's been a long time coming. I think me, Nat and Han have been bounced off each other for the last few years. I think that's this year. It's not me this year, and it's not. So this year it's going to be this year. We need to get over that line. And I think we deserve it after all we've put in this season and all the times we've fell short for whichever reason it might be. But yeah, it'll mean quite a lot.